want to show you exactly how dangerous these things can be if you're not careful. They've got a safety feature. Now my hand's away from the trigger. They've got a safety feature where they won't fire unless that's depressed. I'm not going to put my finger over the end unless that's depressed. So you put it against it, that depresses, you fire the nail, right? But if you were to hold the finger on, you can just push it and it fires one in, right? So if you had your finger on that and you caught it against your clothes, you could end up with a nail in your leg. I'm not sure how far we're going, but I would think it'd be pretty painful. I'll demonstrate this. Don't try this one at home. It's kind of fun, but I'll show you just how dangerous these things are.